Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and it's springtime out here in Oklahoma. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you some audio outside around your pool. We got a few in-ground subs and some satellite speakers, and they're all by James. So let's take a look at some of them real fast. Let's take a flip around. So as we have our speaker, and they've been out here a year or so now. So you can see that they have kind of tarnished it a little bit, just like they would outdoors, but you know, it's all metal. Nothing's falling apart. They all still work. So if we continue along, they have a little seating area down there. It's a very nice backyard. So we have another sat here. And all these satellites are made by James. And here in a second, I'll get over to the subwoofer. So as we walk up here, I can show you the subwoofer, and all you see on that subwoofer is that little mushroom at the top there. So if we look over the whole pool out here, and another thing being said, if we flip around and we look at this area, this was an add-on, and basically he has a TV and a little bar area right there, and we have some pair of speakers back behind the curtains. And then this area over here, he wanted a theater room that he could have all his friends come over and hang out without actually dirtying up his house. So he has that out here, along with this fantastic pool for all his entertainment. So when you're thinking about outdoor lighting, video, audio, you always want to think about coverage, where you're going to be at. You got grill areas around your house, seating areas around the pool. You know, you got seating areas in the pool. You want to be able to hear it in the pool. So you got to think about coverage. So with that in fact, we can go ahead and flip you around again and walk you through on how many speakers we have in this system. So we have one over here that covers this area, and we have one over there. There's another one behind that chair over there. They've kind of rearranged it a little different since the last time I was here. We have another one on the other side of the rocks, and then we have two in the small flower bed over there. And then over here, somehow the landscapers kicked one of them, so we're replacing part of the stake. It snapped off, so we'll get that replaced. But there's also two over there, one facing this way and one facing that way, so it'll blend in with his speakers underneath as well. And then we have, like I said, one subwoofer there, and then we also put one of them way over there. So one on each side of the pool gives us great coverage. So let's see over here, we have our other subwoofer and satellite. All right, so this concludes our little backyard walkthrough as far as placement on this backyard. Not every backyard will have this many speakers or may need more. We've done more subwoofers and more satellites. It's just depending on which backyard you're at. This one, it started out as an old landscape system. We switched it all out to all James. The client was most impressed when we turned it on for that first time and he heard the complete difference as far as quality of sound and how much it spread out and dispersion wise. We did add a few more speakers than what he used to have, so it does cover a lot better than what he did. So you always want to think about coverage and outdoor audio. So remember guys, to like and subscribe down below. We'll see you next time, and we'll go ahead and see you when we come to your backyard. Thanks, have a great choice day.